Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize purchases on Roofstock, complete guide step by step clearly. To start the authorization process on Roofstock, log in to your Roofstock account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the account section located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account Settings to access your account preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for Payment Methods. Select Payment Methods to add or edit your funding sources. To authorize a new purchase, click the Add Payment Method button. You will then be prompted to enter your credit or debit card details. Fill in your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After entering your card information, save the changes by clicking Save. Next, return to the dashboard to find the properties you are interested in. When you select a property, you'll see an option to make an offer. Click on the Make Offer button associated with the selected property. Enter your offer amount in the designated field. Review the purchase details carefully before proceeding. Once you confirm your offer, you'll be asked to authorize the payment. Choose the payment method you previously added. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the payment authorization. You'll receive a confirmation email once your offer is submitted successfully. Make sure to monitor your email for further updates on your offer status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.